Today I'm going to demonstrate how to pair up a Behringer BCF 2000 with the Black Magic Designs ATEM Mini. First, you press and hold the fourth button from the left while you turn on your BCF 2000. Since the software has not been started yet, the motorized faders will go to the home positions. The faders are moving the faders in the software manually without having to manipulate the software with the mouse. The buttons below the dials will also turn off and on the channels and change it from audio follows video from on to off. These dials will show you how to pan right to left. The top buttons turn on and off your channels, and the bottoms manipulate the audio follow video. This has been a demonstration on how to control the software for the Black Magic Designs ATEM Mini or the ATEM Mini Pro using the BCF 2000. Thank you.